Hey everyone, so I have a switch here with a few issues. Namely, the joycons are not working. So I did a little testing prior to turning on the camera. Mostly I use a test system that I have here just to check out the joycons. So what I discovered is, without opening them, the right joycon has an issue with the left joycon has an issue with the slide connection. And what I've already been able to see is the housing is split. It's open. It's been separated. I mean, it's hard to really see on the camera here now, but I can see a part of the ribbon connection for this looks to be pinched, which would explain why this one's not connecting. Anyway, I do have another Joy-Con that I can test, and as you can see, that Joy-Con pairs. So I know it's not the slide on the connection. Nothing. See? Now, this one is not working on that. Nothing. No connection. On my test unit, works just fine. So I know the Joy-Con is okay. So obviously I can test it without using another switch. But this rules out exactly what the issue is. So I have an issue with this Joy-Con. I have an issue with this slide. So we're going to get these apart. We're going to see exactly what's going on with them. So hang tight and we get this open. Alright, we're back. Just had to gather a few parts. I know I'm going to need a new slide connection. And I know I'm going to need the slide for the console. I'm pretty sure anyway. I'm going to lay this aside for now. And that aside because that one's fine. This one here. And yeah, there it is. See the crease? It's common if these get dropped sometimes, the shells pop apart. I don't know how, because oftentimes when I see it, these are popped up at a place. The screws are not stretched or pulled, so anyway, sometimes it does happen. That could have been what happened here, or someone could have had it apart and just didn't put it back together properly, or was careless. Either or, it doesn't matter. All that matters is we're just going to fix it. So don't need to replace the entire panel, because that's fine. You're only disconnecting this actual slide itself. So let's pop that off. Sorry, for some very strange reason my camera cut out. So anyway, just about finished putting this together now. Final screws, and we can get this tested. Okay, you got that done. Let's try it. Boom, there we go. Alright, that one's fixed. Actually, we'll leave that connected because it's gonna probably need to charge. Now it's on to the slide. So I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna disconnect, because now we gotta get this apart. Disconnect that. There we go. Don't really care about damaging it too much because it's already not working. So I'm just looking at the ribbon. The ribbon don't look to be hurt. I suspect it's probably in here. I'm guessing that there's corrosion on one of the pins. It's not too bad, I can clean it, but most often than not it's... Oh, no. Odd. Do I have the right side? I do. Yeah, there's like a It's like a little almost like a semi-puncture. It's really hard to see, but maybe 1, 2, possibly 3 traces damage in the middle. It doesn't really look bad, but it's the only thing I really see, other than there is a lot of dirt here. There could have been something spilled, but I mean, I don't know. Without checking continuity, you wouldn't know for sure. It's just easier to replace these than it is to try to clean them. So anyway, I have a new slide here already kind of set to go. So I'm just gonna pop this in, turn it up, turn it on, and most likely that's be the end of her for tonight. Put her together and call it done. Oh, these new ribbons are always such a pain. There we go. Just for testing purposes, I'll turn it on. Pretty sure that does the trick. There is something else that it could be if this doesn't work, but I don't think that's the case. There we go. The slide works both sides. There we go. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna get this back together, clean it up, and let the customer know that it's ready to go. Anyway, have a good night.